Anna, the podcast where we help you speak English with confidence, one lesson at a time. I'm Anna. That's right. And speaking of work, today's episode is all about English for work. We are going to teach you the English you need every single day at your job. And don't worry if your English is not perfect. That's why you are here. We will keep everything simple, clear, and easy to understand. This lesson is for A2 and B1 level learners. That means beginner and lower intermediate. Okay, Mike, let's begin with something very simple, the beginning of the workday. Every morning you arrive at the office or your workplace. What do you say? Simple and friendly. And what about the afternoon, after lunch? That's true. It depends on your workplace. Some places are very formal, like a bank or a law office. And some places are more relaxed, like a cafe or a tech company. Okay, so here is a short practice moment. Listeners, repeat after me. Say these phrases out loud. It really helps. Good morning. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Perfect. Those three phrases are very, very common. You will use them every single day. Say them every morning in front of the mirror. Yes, the mirror. It really works. Now, let's talk about something a little scary for some people. Introducing yourself. Imagine it is your first day at a new job. You walk in, and someone asks, "Hi, who are you?" That's it. Short and clear. You say your name, and you say your job title. Job title? That means your position at work, like manager, teacher, engineer, assistant, driver, nurse, chef. And if you want to be extra friendly, you can add, "Nice to meet you." Let's hear a full example. Imagine Anna is the new employee. Yes. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm the new customer service assistant. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. I'm really happy to be here. Okay, Mike, let's move on to another very important situation. Talking with your manager. Right. The key is to be polite and clear. Two very important words. Polite and clear. Polite means you are respectful and friendly. Clear means you speak in a way that is easy to understand. Those are great. Let's do a short dialogue. Mike, you are the manager. I'll be the employee. Excuse me.
And I'm Mike. We are so happy you are here today. Whether you are listening on YouTube, on your phone, or on your way to work, welcome. You made a great choice today. Yes, this is a very practical lesson. We are talking about real situations, things that happen every day, like greeting your coworkers in the morning, talking to your manager, answering the phone, writing a simple email, joining a meeting, and much more. So if you feel a little nervous about speaking English at work, this episode is for you. Let's start. Great question. The most common thing is a greeting. A greeting? That means the words you say when you see someone. For example, good morning. Yes. You can also say hi or hello. But in a work situation, good morning sounds more professional. Professional? That means it sounds good and polite for work. After lunch, you can say good afternoon. And later in the day, good evening. But honestly, most people at work just say hi or hey after lunch. Right. But for today, let's keep it simple. Ready? Let's go. Good morning. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? It does. Speaking to yourself in the mirror is a great way to practice. You are not afraid of the mirror, so you feel more relaxed. Okay, that sounds a little scary, but it's not. Let's practice. My name is Mike. I can say, "Hi, I'm Mike. I'm the new marketing assistant." You can also add where you work. For example, "Hi, I'm Mike. I work in the marketing department." Department? That means a section or a team inside a company. Yes. And the other person will usually say, "Nice to meet you too." Okay,